guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon and in today's video I'm doing another headband wig tutorial, and it is in collaboration with Nadula hair. This one's different. Once again, I'm experimenting with some color. It's not as vibrant as a color, it's more just subtle, so I really like this headband wig. So without further ado, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So my box looks a little crazy. I've already kind of went through it and looked, but I love their holiday packaging. It just says Merry Christmas Nadula. I think that's really cute for the holidays. So in this box we have this really cute headband wig. This is Brazilian hair. It's more of a body wave texture, and it's kind of like a honey blondish brown color. So super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it out the net. I love body wave hair. I think it has a nice movement to it and it flows nicely. So as you can see, it starts off kind of dark at the roots and then it moves into the more highlighted color. All the specs of this hair will be on the screen so you guys know the inches and everything like that. So it has the headband, of course, attached to it already, and the combs inside, so that's nice and secure and it isn't going anywhere. Now, of course, they did include some nice accessories. I love when companies include accessories. So they included a nice tangle teaser, an edge control brush, 2 wig caps, which I think is good because we always need wig caps. Oh, this is so cute. It has these little holiday accessories. This is too cute. It looks like a Santa and a reindeer and stuff. This is really cute. Thank you, Nadula. This is so cute. This clip that just says star, and then it has a makeup pouch which you can actually put your accessories in. I love the holographic look. It's really cute. And then even more accessories, so you have a couple of different headbands that I'll show you guys later on in the video. So let's just get into putting this hair on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put my wig cap on. My hair is in a low bun. Usually my hair would be in braids, but since I straightened my hair recently, I just have it in this low bun. And then I'm just gonna undo the Velcro and put the hair on. And usually with my colored headband wigs, I don't leave any hair out because it won't blend as good. I just let the headband actually come down to my forehead and I wear it like that. But I like that it starts off dark at the root and then it moves into the color hair. I feel like that looks a lot more natural and cute. So as you can see, I put that wig on super easy, like no struggle. And this is just the natural body wave of it. You don't have to do any work. You could always straighten it if you want to, but that's completely optional. And of course, the more you rake your fingers through it, the bigger and more voluminous this hair is going to get. You can do all types of different styles with headband wigs. That's why they're my favorite. You can do half up, half down, ponytail, bun, whatever. You can toss it to the side like I did just now and just have this extra volume look going on. So really cute. I'm gonna stand up and show you guys kind of like where it hits on my body. The highlights on this is super gorgeous. I think it looked better kind of just going to the back, just more natural like that. So yeah, let me go ahead and just show you guys what some of these headbands look like on. Okay, so the first one is kind of like a floral headband. So super cute to put on. And you can always completely loop your headbands through, but when it's long hair, I just kind of give you guys a general idea of what the headband looks like. So you guys know my favorite is rhinestone headbands. So they include this really cute black one. And of course you would just push the headband that's attached onto it back some, so that doesn't show as much with the headband. So that's really cute. Okay, next is this pink one. I don't usually wear like bright colored headbands with colored hair, but I know some people do. So this is what the pink one looks like. It actually does look pretty good with the brownish blonde color, so I like that. Okay, so next they have this black and white one. It kind of looks like a bandana kind of look. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. I think this is really cute as well. Love that. And I like that it's like this soft cotton material. They also have that headband in like a burgundy color. And then lastly, they also have, just like the pink one, they have a royal blue, and this is more of a stretchy type of headband. It's like polyester stretchy workout kind of material headband, but it's such a nice pretty royal blue, so I love this color as well. And then this is just a better look of the back of the hair. Nice and flowy, beautiful body wave. So if you guys haven't already checked out Nadula hair, I will have all their information linked in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.